Parent-child. 2 Better parenting way to grow up your children. Christopher Thurber, a psychology doctor. His job is to provide psychological support to students in Phillips Exeter Academy for more than 20 years. In an interview with the WeChat public account The Bund Education, Thurber shared 2 better ways to help the child. Number 1. Help children convert their goals. Phillips Exeter College attract a lot of outstanding students. Somehow there are so many students will experience a very large psychological gap after entering the school. And there will be a sense of frustration. Those who have been the top students will find that there are people in every aspect who do better than them. Thurber said that almost every day, students come to him to help adjust their emotions. His advice to the students is, don't just feel depressed but think about it. There are 2 or 3 things that you really want to focus on. Your goal is not to do the best, but to do the best in your ability. In other words, let the children realize that it is more important to look at their own development than to compare to the other students. Number 2. Make children improve if they not doing something with effort and diligently. Thurber mentioned a controversial topic in Amy Chua's book, Battle Hymn of the Tiger Mother. Amy's daughter gave her mother a greeting card for her Mother's Day. After receiving the greeting card, her mother returned to ask her daughter redo. Thurber said, a lot of Americans disagree such act. They think this may hurts the children's feeling. But most people who say this, they don't look at the context. Amy Chua explained when she returned the card. She told the child that she cares that the child put effort and do things diligently. She wants her children to spend more time on the greeting card so that she can feel the child's love. Not just the routine process of a Mother's Day. One day when the children grow up and enter workplace in future. Such mindset would help them to be more diligent, responsible, and dedicate to their work. Thank you for watching, and wish you have a nice day.